Imagine standing in a forest where the trees are older than memory and the silence feels deliberate. Places like this still exist, vast regions where humans rarely stay long enough to notice patterns. Long before cameras or newspapers, indigenous tribes described large forest beings watching from the trees. These stories were not about monsters, but intelligent beings sharing the land. Modern attention began in 1958 near Bluff Creek, California. Massive footprints appeared in soft mud, deeper than any human track nearby. Each print suggested extreme weight, balance, and upright movement. Journalists documented the tracks before the legend became profitable. 9 years later, a short film would redefine the mystery. Roger Patterson and Bob Gimlin filmed a large figure walking across Bluff Creek. The figure moved calmly, not fleeing, not aggressive, just walking. Then it turned its head toward the camera. That moment has been studied for decades. Biomechanics experts analyzed the stride and arm sling. They noted the movement did not match known human motion. Costume experts from the 1960s said no available suit fit the evidence. Still, science demands physical proof, and the footage remains unconfirmed. Reports did not stop there. Footprints continued to appear across North America. Some casts showed dermal ridges similar to fingerprints. Others argued such details could be fabricated. Yet patterns appeared again and again. In the early 2000s, recordings known as the Sierra Sounds drew attention. The vocalizations showed structure, not random animal noise. Some frequencies did not match any known species. DNA samples were collected, but most were contaminated or degraded. Critics asked the same question: why has no body ever been found? Biologists point out that most animals die unseen in wilderness. Scavengers, weather, and time erase evidence quickly. Thousands of witnesses include hunters, park rangers, police, and soldiers. People trained to observe, not to imagine. Many refused publicity, fearing ridicule more than disbelief. Most described intelligence, awareness, and avoidance. Some anthropologists suggest a surviving hominid lineage, a cousin of humanity adapted to isolation. If real, it would explain the consistent behavior. Modern technology has not solved the mystery. Forests disrupt signals, lighting, and visibility. Fear causes shaky footage and delayed reactions. History reminds us many animals were once dismissed as myths. Gorillas, giant squid, and okapi were all doubted. Science requires evidence, and Bigfoot remains unconfirmed. But absence of proof is not proof of absence. Bigfoot exists between folklore and possibility, between belief and skepticism. The mystery survives because it resists certainty, and because wilderness still hides what we do not expect. Humans want clear answers. Nature does not owe us explanations. Bigfoot may be real, or it may not. What matters is why the question persists. We want the world to still hold secrets. We want wilderness to remain untamed. We want to believe we are not alone at the top. Bigfoot represents the unknown we have not erased yet, a reminder that not everything bends to human control. Maybe Bigfoot is flesh and blood. Maybe it is myth shaped by fear and hope. Or maybe it's both. Either way, the forest does not answer. It simply waits. And sometimes it leaves a mark behind, a sign that something passed through, whether animal, human, or something else entirely. The mystery remains, and deep down, we hope it always will.